Alright, for today we will be doing this figure, and we will again use the aid of a software called Solidworks. And in order for us to do that, we will be starting from its bottom part, going to its mid portion up to its upper portion. And now we will go to our Solidworks to start our work. And to start our drawing, we will now go to the sketch tab and then choose front plane and then choose sketch, and from this we will be using center line starting from the origin and again insert another center line. Now we will assign some dimensions, and these two lines should have a 30-degree angle between them. And then this line should be 65 millimeters in length. Now we will use the offset command on this particular line. Choose offset entities, then select the entity you want to offset, then on the option choose bidirectional, and the offset distance should only be 5 millimeters. Just check. Now all we need to do is to insert a line on this part and on the other side. Now on the features tab we will use the extruded boss or base. And a depth of 12 millimeters. Now changing the view and going to its back or rear view, we will now click this right click and then choose sketch. Then we will choose the 3-point corner rectangle. First point is here, the second is on this point, and the third one is here. After that we will assign some dimension. The length of this line should be 30. And there we go. Our sketch is now fully defined. Then again on the features tab, we will use the extruded boss or base. And this time, the depth of the extrusion should be 18. Then click this side of our sketch, then choose sketch and normal 2. We will use the center line. And then a circle. Then we will define its radius, which should be 15. Now on the Features tab, we will use this time the extruded cut command. And then our end condition will be changed from blind to true all. Then hit the OK. Now we are done on the bottom part of our figure. We can now move on to the mid portion of our figure. Again, choose the front plane, then choose sketch. From the origin, we will draw a circle with a diameter of 28. Then extrude the circle. The depth should be 50 millimeters. Then hit OK. We will now leave this mid portion of our figure as what it is this time, and we will be just going back to it after we are done doing the upper portion. And to do the upper portion, we will choose the top plane and choose sketch, then normal 2. We will use a center line originating on the midpoint of the particular line, and then the center line should be only 6 millimeter. Now we will use the center rectangle. Then click the midpoint of our rectangle, then control click the end point of our center line. The relation between the two should be coincident. And check. Now we will assign some dimensions for our rectangle. This one should only be 5. And this one should be 20. Now we will go to the features tab and use the extruded boss erase command. So for that we will just use the normal tool. To better see the extrusion. We will use that of 25 on this particular boss extrude. Then hit OK. After that, we will be using the front plane, and then in the reference geometry, we will choose plane, and the offset distance should be 41.5 millimeters. Then click the plane 1, choose a sketch, and then just normal 2. And we will insert a center line starting from the origin, just like that, with a length of just 45 millimeters. After that, we will be drawing a circle starting on the end point of our center line and with the radius of 55 or 50 millimeters, and another circle with the same center point but with the radius or with the diameter of 35. After that, we will be again inserting a center line across these two circles. Then we will make several lines. Then assign a dimension on this vertical line, and this should be only 5 millimeters. Now we can use the trim entities command, trim excess lines. In this case, these lines are the unnecessary ones. Now to fully define our sketch, we'll just put a smart dimension in this part of our sketch. Then we will go and use extruded boss or base command again. But this time, we will change the end condition from blind to mid-plane, and the depth should be 7 millimeters. Then hit OK. Now our figure should look like this one. You can hide this plane. Then all we need to do is apply fillet command on the several sides of this figure. We will choose the fillet command on the ribbon, and then the sides that we want to fillet is this one, and change the radius of the fillet from 10 to just 1 millimeter. The other one is this one, as well as the other side. This one, now it is looking okay, therefore we should hit the check mark. Now this is our figure, but this time we are lacking a hole inside this particular portion of our drawing, and in order for us to do that, we will just click this face of our figure and choose a sketch, then just normal do. Then we will use circle, assign its diameter to be 15 millimeters, and go to the feature stub and choose extruded cut from the ribbon. Now the end condition should be through all, and just hit OK. Now we have a hole on that part of our figure. And this is our final output. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.